In today's fast-paced business environment, social media is more than just a tool. It's a vital part of our workplace culture. At Edunyx LMS, we understand the complexities and opportunities that come with integrating social media into your professional life. Our social media in the workplace training solution is designed to equip you with the skills needed to navigate this landscape effectively. Imagine harnessing the power of platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to enhance your professional presence and drive engagement. This course dives deep into the realities of social media in business, helping you understand both its benefits and potential risks. You'll learn how to create a positive online reputation, engage with your audience authentically, and leverage social media for networking and collaboration. Key learning outcomes include mastering best practices for professional communication, understanding the implications of social media policies, and developing strategies to mitigate risks associated with online interactions. We'll explore real-world scenarios so you can apply your knowledge immediately and confidently. Engagement is crucial, and our training offers innovative strategies to keep your team involved and motivated. You'll discover how to foster a culture of responsible social media use, encouraging collaboration while maintaining professionalism. Choosing Edunyx LMS means you're investing in a comprehensive learning experience tailored to meet the needs of today's workforce. Our platform is user-friendly, accessible, and designed to fit seamlessly into your busy schedule. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your skills and elevate your organization's social media presence. Enroll today and take the first step towards becoming a social media savvy professional. Let's transform the way we connect and communicate in the workplace.